Hello and welcome to my garden in May. May has been a sunny month and a very welcome one after all the rain we've had since October. The alliums are the stars of the garden at the moment. The bees love them and so do I. You might have spotted some brown patches in the boxwood. These are caused by the caterpillars of the box moths that caught me by surprise. Usually I'm more on top of them. It doesn't look nice now, but they will recover from it. Now that there's no chance of frost during the nights anymore, it is safe to plant out tender annuals like zinnias. Zinnias need heat to germinate, therefore I always sow them indoors to get an early start. Before I start planting, I place them all on the soil. This way I can still move them around, and when I'm happy with where they are, I start planting. Planting is easy, just dig a hole the same depth as the pot and pop them in. Water them as soon as you planted them. They can dry out quickly in the sun. I want to start using one of the beds in the vegetable garden as a cut flower bed, and I'm planting the rest of my zinnias here. Finally, water them and keep watering them regularly, especially if it's sunny and warm, until they are established. Last year I used this bed in the vegetable garden to grow beans. This is a very warm and sunny spot, so I decided to plant out my tomatoes in this bed. When you plant tomatoes, try to plant them as deep as you can, even if it means covering the first leaf. Roots will grow from the stem. This will allow the plant to soak up more water and nutrients, and hopefully this results in a healthy plant producing more fruits. Tomato plants need support. I start with these small canes, but will replace them with taller ones when they start growing. I tie the stem with an 8 loop around the cane. Now all I have to do is water them and keep watering them regularly. Tomatoes are thirsty plants and don't like irregular watering, especially when they bear fruits. It might cause them to crack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. See you next time.